We have covered many kinds of campers on this channel, and today we are going to talk about some campers that are mostly exclusive to Japan. These K campers were mainly built to be an affordable form of transportation after World War II, and brands like Honda and Suzuki still produce them to these days. So in this video, we'll cover 15 Japanese K campers you need to see. We have used footage from different conversion companies and creators for this video. We'll put their links in the description in case you want to learn more about the builds. Now let us jump right in. Field Life is one of the renowned K conversion companies in Japan. Their Vita model is particularly famous for its functionality. It is made on the Daihatsu Atrai, which offers a lot of space for its size. This might seem small to a person who is acquainted with Sprinter and Transit builds, but this has a pop-up roof that increases interior height to 2,000 millimeters. Then the large sofa converts into a well-sized adjustable bed. Despite its spacious interior, the vehicle remains under 2 meters tall when closed, which makes it good as a daily driver too. There is also a lot of storage like the underfloor compartments, internal cabinets, and even a dedicated shoe storage area. As for amenities, there is a pull-out shower faucet, a round sink, and an indoor-outdoor usable table. For power needs, there is an electrical system powered by a sub-battery with an upgrade option to lithium-ion for those planning extended trips. So the size might throw you off at first, but there is enough in this camper to support a comfortable camping experience. However, keep in mind that this one's not ready for off-road or going deep into the wilderness. The price of this is around $25,000 for the four-wheel drive version. Next up, we have the Mystic Mini Pop B, a conversion made on the Toyota Pixus truck. It is one of the most loved conversions, and Mystic has been building this vehicle for over 10 years. This one is the 2024 model with some upgrades. Mystic can customize everything for you, like the exterior paint and interior, and you can also add stuff you would like. Let us see the inside. The interior focuses on creating a cozy space with slight vintage aspects. Then it has amenities like the 12-volt cooler and a bottleneck water meter, while redesigned cabinetry with wooden handles and enhanced storage solutions contribute to a more polished look and better organization. Then the popular denim-colored cushions and upholstery scheme round out the cozy modern aesthetic with customization options available for those wanting a personal touch. It just looks like something that you can go around on weekends that is going to be a nice addition to your garage. You can take it camping too, but it won't be able to take on rough roads. It also costs the same as the Vita, $25,000. The Envan Compo by White House Camper takes the new Honda Envan lineup and creates a safe space for both hobbyists and overnight adventurers. Dubbed a mobile secret base, this K camper maximizes every inch of space, offering a thoughtfully designed interior with necessities. Its adaptable interior rearranges the space for sleeping, lounging, or gear storage. Then with the side door fully open and the optional side awning deployed, the camper can become an outdoor terrace area. For comfort, the cushioned bed mattress provides a cozy sleeping area, while the bedboard can be raised to allow for an impressive 1,800 millimeters of standing height. Then a removable mosquito net ensures bug-free relaxation during warmer nights. Moreover, to keep things warm in colder conditions, the FF-type air heater runs independently from the engine, offering efficient and reliable heating. Its adaptable interior creates features like a sink with both indoor and outdoor access. And for other amenities, a microwave oven, a fold-down table, efficient water tanks, and secure power outlets make the camper well-rounded. Additionally, a rotating driver's seat exclusive to the White House camper adds another layer of flexibility to the interior layout. For external features, it has a rear-mounted bicycle rack capable of holding up to 3 bikes. Furthermore, for those needing even more cargo space, an optional cargo rack can be added. Lastly, to get this, you need to spend around 20 grand. These small K cars are made by Honda in Japan. The N-Box Joy is a model aimed at leisure driving and overnight camping. Built on the 3rd-gen N-Box platform, this K camper blends city-friendly practicality with camping utility. On the outside, the Joy sports a redesigned bumper with unique intakes, retro-styled wheels, and a black grille that gives it a bold personality. Throw in optional extras like bumper-mounted LEDs, a roof rack, and adventure decals, and you've got yourself a K camper that looks ready for the rougher roads. Step inside and the thoughtful design continues. The rear seats fold completely flat, turning the cabin into a cozy sleeping space, while hidden compartments under the cargo floor keep things neat and organized. Want to relax outside? Optional awnings provides shade, turning your parking spot into a mini campsite. Under the hood, you've got two engine options, a 658cc naturally aspirated three-cylinder with 58 HP or a turbocharged version pushing 63 horsepower. Both pair with a CVT and offer either front-wheel or all-wheel drive, making the N-Box Joy surprisingly versatile for its size. Starting at around $12,000, it holds its own against competitors like the Suzuki Spacia Gear and Mitsubishi Delica Mini. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or sneaking away for a weekend adventure, the Honda N-Box Joy proves that good things really do come in small packages. The K-Works exclusive Minibird stands out as a great example of how much functionality can be packed into a small space. Built on the reliable Daihatsu H-Tri platform, this little powerhouse caters perfectly to retirees, pet owners, and anyone who values convenience without compromising on essential comforts. Despite its modest size, it doesn't skimp on features. The electrical system starts at 100 amp, but can be expanded to a robust 300 amp, powering a 2,000-watt inverter. More than enough power to run a microwave on the road. Inside, the sleeping area boasts a pressure-dispersing core bed mattress, wide enough for two adults to rest comfortably. The foldable table is a clever addition, usable both indoors and outdoors, while adjustable lighting, including illumination on the rear gate, ensures ease of use during nighttime adventures. Enhanced insulation and heat shielding keep the interior cozy no matter the season. On-the-road features like power slide doors, cruise control, and automatic braking elevate the driving experience. For those wanting extra flexibility, optional upgrades like a 12-volt cooler with up to 12 hours of cooling and FF heater for added warmth and solar panels for off-grid power make this camper even more versatile. The Nuts Spinach takes the concept of a Japanese K-camper and cranks it up a notch, blending clever design with a surprising amount of comfort in such a compact form. For folks used to RVs, the Spinach might seem almost toy-like at first glance, but step inside and you'll quickly realize its clever utilization of space. With its innovative net setup, the flexible seating system offers 4 forward-facing seats during travel that easily transform into various lounging or sleeping configurations without a fuss. The optional pop-up roof is another game-changer, adding much-needed headroom and an extra sleeping area. Thoughtful features like an external shower, secure upper storage compartments, LED spotlights, and USB ports round out a surprisingly comprehensive package. And let's not overlook the spacious convertible interior, which folds into a flatbed setup that's far more comfortable than you'd expect in a van this size. It's clear Nuts RV poured their experience from larger builds into this tiny build, making it an ideal pick for couples or small groups chasing weekend adventures without the hassle of maintaining a big RV. While pricing details vary based on the trims, you can get the best trim for around $19,000 USD. The Vantech Lunetta is one of the most elegant-looking K-campers on this list. Designed with adults in mind, this is an experience that creates an inviting space that feels cozy. The interior design deserves praise with elegant curved furniture and soft indirect lighting that sets a chill vibe. Sleeping arrangements are impressively thought out, a spacious main bed with Teijin V-lap cushioning for solid comfort, plus a pull-down upper bed that works for kids or extra storage. What's great is how easily that main bed stows away, opening up seating space without hassle. Speaking of seating, it comfortably fits 4 people, so it's ready for a weekend getaway or even just running errands in style. The retractable sink with its dual water and drain tanks is a slick addition, giving you the flexibility for quick cleanups or even a basic outdoor shower setup. Storage is everywhere overhead. Compartments, underbed space, and smart nooks keep things tidy. Add in a rotating TV bracket, well-placed power outlets, and a removable table that works indoors or out, and you've got a setup that does everything. At around 23 grand, the Lunetta delivers an impressive balance of style, practicality, and affordability. The Rakunero Lily is for anyone seeking a lightweight, affordable camper that doesn't skimp on comfort. Based on the Daihatsu Hijit Cargo, this compact beauty is priced at around $18,000. Despite its small size, the interior feels surprisingly spacious, offering enough room for two adults to sleep and move around comfortably. The innovative raised floor creates extra legroom, and the full flat bed setup means no cramped nights. The convertible dining table that transforms into a bed adds serious versatility. With optional features like a ventilation fan fridge and 1500-watt power outlet, you've got everything you need for a comfortable trip. The driving charging system is a smart touch for staying powered up on the go. What really sets the Lily apart is its high-quality construction. It uses precision techniques and automated equipment in its factory to ensure each van is top-notch. At its price point, the Rockaneru Lily offers amazing value for money blending, stylish design with practical features in a way that's tough to beat. The Oka Motors SV version of the miniature cruise a tri-camper van takes everything great about the previous models and makes it better. First off, the 100 amp sub-battery is a big win, providing a larger bucket of power compared to the older version, so you can run more appliances. Inside, the SV has a transformable interior that offers face-to-face seating and a bed that easily converts to a well-sized sleeping space. The adjustable table height is another thoughtful touch, making it easy to customize for meals or work. Lighting ensures a bright interior even when you're parked in the dark. Two 20-liter water tanks are a solid feature, though they aren't designed for simultaneous use, and the customizable storage options include the punch-out board for home improvement accessories. Multiple power outlets, including AC and USB, provide convenience powered by the sub-battery, so you're not dependent on external power. With these thoughtful updates, the SV version of the Atri is a good K camper, but a little on the expensive side. They sell this conversion for around $30,000. We talked about the N-Box Joy. Already, this is the electric version of that. The N-Van E is for both commercial and recreational use. Priced at around $18,000 with the option for quick charging in just 30 minutes, perfect for those on the go. The N-Van E retains the spacious cargo area from the gas model, but is enhanced with a high-capacity battery and a compact e-axle. For commercial use, it can be used in mobile cafes, workshops, and storefronts, because the 1500-watt external power supply allows for running tools, appliances, or food prep equipment on the go. That also makes it good for recreational campers. Furthermore, the N-Van E easily transitions into an adventure-ready van with Honda Access accessories like tailgate bars, roof racks, and mesh pockets for sports equipment. The ability to power up gear like paddle boards and use home appliances with an external input kit makes it a perfect companion for camping trips too. Add in an 8-inch navigation system, rear camera assistance, and ample storage, and you've got a camper van that's both practical and ready for any weekend getaway. The Balako by Field Life is proof that size doesn't dictate capability when it comes to Japanese K campers. As one of Japan's smallest camping cars, it masterfully packs a surprising amount of function into its compact frame while keeping things around $25,000. Built on a Daihatsu Hijet truck, it benefits from Japan's light vehicle regulations, which mean a 660cc engine. What it lacks in power, though, it makes up for in smart design. The exterior is well equipped with acrylic double-layered windows for insulation, a mosquito net door, and even a 100-watt solar panel to keep things powered off-grid, plus a roof carrier to compensate for limited storage. Inside, the driver's area is modernized with a manual transmission, multiple cameras, a TPMS, and extra shelving. As for the interior, it has convertible seating that transforms into a pop-up bed, and a small but functional kitchen includes a water tap cooktop surface and voltmeter. Entertainment is ensured thanks to a 19-inch Google TV powered by a 400-watt inverter. Storage solutions are everywhere, maximizing every inch of space for gear, cookware, and personal essentials. With an external water system and a portable AC unit, it's built for comfort despite its size, perfect for solo travelers or couples who value efficiency over excess. Shuntaru Samurai's DIY-modified Daihatsu Hijet proves that even a budget-friendly K-van costing around $2,000 in good condition can be transformed into a highly functional microcamper. This setup is all about comfort and practicality, with a bed that also offers generous storage underneath for camping gear. The removal of the rear seats freed up even more space, allowing for a neatly arranged gear storage system with multiple containers, a dedicated spice rack, and even a Stanley lunchbox. A large portable power station sits where the seats once were, keeping everything running, including an 11-liter portable refrigerator. Then the wall-mounted shelves board with hooks for accessories and erector pipe sidebars are good for organizing essentials. As for lighting, there are LED strips, and for privacy, there is a curtain partition that separates the sleeping area from the rest of the van. Lastly, a portable toilet is stored near the entrance for convenience. The only non-Asian conversion on this list is the Tin Can Van's Suzuki Super Carry. This conversion takes a bare-bones $2,000 K-van and turns it into a micro camper that's both practical and budget-friendly. Despite its tiny footprint, this build makes smart use of every inch, proving that even the most compact vehicles can be comfortable with the right design. The Super Carry's small size is a huge advantage, allowing it to navigate tight city streets and park just about anywhere. If you take a look inside, you will quickly understand that it is not completely self-sufficient. The DIY build is made for weekend trips and overnight stays. It has a well-sized bed with storage underneath. Overall, the emphasis was to make this a cozy retreat-like home. So if you are looking to customize your own K-camper without breaking the bank, this might be a good example. Yumenokaban's Suzuki Spasha-based camper Danny looks like a complete DIY build without any type of engineering involved. Designed for long-term travel, this build revolves around meticulous organization, ensuring everything has a dedicated place. The rear storage alone packs a Muji costume case solar panel, sunshade daily essentials, rice and bedding, while the back seat area neatly holds personal bags, shared clothing, a power supply, and water. Even the front seat is maximized with eco bags, cleaning essentials, and car documents, with extra storage tucked into visors and door pockets. Cooking gear lives under the passenger seat, including a clay pot and cassette stove, while the console tray and overhead shelf keep smaller necessities like a portable cooker and first aid kit within reach. The interesting part is the sleeping setup. By adjusting a multi-board and unfolding a mattress, the interior effortlessly converts into a cozy bed using the van's existing seats. This is overall just a good example of a self-designed camper van without using any tools. However, the four-wheel drive version of the Spasha is around $19,000 as a base vehicle, which is quite a lot considering a K. Lastly, we have the famous K-Truck Toyota Pixus, and it's a DIY build by Tabi i.e. Quiet Night. He creates the whole build from scratch with wood boards and structure. It takes him days to get everything right, from the window, the door, and even the roof. Then he tests it all out to see if it is weatherproof. After he is done building the camper, he focuses on the interior. He goes for ambiance and then puts in amenities he wants, like a couch table, storage, a tatami bed, and even a small gas stove. This is one of the best DIY we have seen, and it just shows how far craftsmanship can go in terms of building a camper. If you want to try it out yourself, you can acquire a Pixus for around $8,000. It might seem a lot, but the recent hype around the K-Truck is pretty high, so you should get one before they are considered rare. So that was our video on the 15 Japanese K-campers you need to see.